Hey y'all, welcome. My name is Mimi is Mighty Incredible. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, make sure you show your girl some love. Like, comment, and subscribe. And for my old subscribers, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. So today, we are going to have a nice little, goodie, okay? So I currently subscribe to Curlkit, okay? And I have my first package right here. It's not even open yet. Okay, so I'm gonna open it right now. Let's rip this bad boy open. Okay, cute. Curlkit. All right, guys, it's cute. I like the packaging. Okay, and it says Curls by Nature. This box only cost $20 and it was $5 for shipping and handling. So it's not bad. It's a monthly subscription. You could cancel at any time. But if they keep sending me some good products, then I'll keep them around. But let's dive in and see what we got in this box. So, oh, it's cute. It says Coconut Restore. Let's pop this open. Let me show you how it looks before I pop it open. Something dropped out. Pop this open. Ooh, okay. This is a little, pamphlet. It says Coconut Restore. And on the back, it tells you everything that's in it. So it's a cleanse and conditioner that's the shampoo and the conditioner, a style and control, that's a gel and a leave-in conditioner, and it's also a treat and restore, that's coconut oil and a repair mask. Ooh, okay, and this is the anniversary edition, okay, for the month of March. This is cute, little information here, about the anniversary, about the products. Okay, and there's some more information here, so I'll definitely go over this and read this. All right, let's see what we have, y'all. So the first thing is this travel size moisture and shine. That's how it looks. Let's see. Okay, and this is to replenish curls and natural hair moisture balance while improving shine, elasticity. Lightweight, sprayable natural oil blend infused with coconut oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil for ultimate shine and protection from frizz and heat. Can be used on wet or dry hair, for style preparation and or finishing. That's cute. Let's see how it smells. It smells good, like coconut. Duh, it's a coconut line. Okay, we have the hair softening tonic, and this tonic is developed to soften hair fibers, making hair more manageable and easy to style using a specific active ingredient proven to strengthen hair, improve detangling and conditioning. Botanical blend works to condition and soften hair for soft bounce back curls and waves. Let's see how this smells. It's like a nice minty smell. All right, go on to the next one. Let's see. This is a Curl Moisture Cream. That's how it looks. Let me smell it. Smells good. Okay, and this cream is a butter blend of cocoa butter, mango butter, shea butter with coconut oil. Will give your curly or textured hair moisture, definition, and control. Hydrates hair to prevent breakage and damage during styling. Great for twists, braids, and other curl hairstyles. That's good. Let me see. This is the texture and volume spray. That's how it looks. And it's a styling spray that boosts soft curls and waves, adds body and volume, protects hair from frizz, and creates a free foam style. Coconut oil and almond protects hair as it hydrates, works as a curl wave refresher, light hold that does not build up on hair. You know I need that. Smells good. So the line pretty much smells, you know, similar. Each product in the line, I should say. Okay, and we have the cream conditioning cleanser. Okay, and this is a daily conditioning cleanser that keeps the moisture level of hair and scalp balanced to perfection without harsh chemicals, neutralizes detergent and product residue by conditioning the hair, great for daily use. See how it smells. Smells good, like coconuts. And we also have, curl mousse. All right. And this says that it's great for waves and soft curls, non-sticky on hair, works to seal and protect hair from moisture and frizz, formulated with mango butter and coconut oil for moisture and shine. Light hold that does not build up on hair, can be used to refresh waves and curls on wet or dry hair. Okay. Coconut Restore, I see you. All right. And I have 2 leave-in conditioners. And lastly, I have some coconut oil. All right, so that's about it. That's in this box. It's completely empty. Okay, guys, so let me know in the comment section below if you ever had subscribed to Curlkit or any other hair product subscription company out that you may have subscribed to. Let me know your thoughts on this. And that's about it. I will definitely do a video, you know, about using these products in my hair, so look out for that. And as always, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Show your girl some love. And I will see you next time. Bye.